Machines and Emotions by Bertrand Russell. In this essay, the writer describes some of humanity's natural instincts, desires, and cultural practices. He also gives uh, he also gives us a look or gives us uh, a sketch to see that how machines are beneficial or harmful to our general nature and our nurtured and learned cultural practices. You know that, like everything, machines have both vices and virtues, advantages and disadvantages, and even some of the philosophers, renowned politicians like Iqbal has expressed their dislikeness regarding these machines. In one of his verse है दिल के लिए मौत मशीनों की हुकूमत ऐसा ऐसी मरवत को कुचल देते हैं आलात. It says that, as the title suggests, machines and the emotions. Machines do not address emotions because machine is a machine. It is not a human. It does not have a human heart that can feel, that can experience, and therefore it has it has disadvantage demerits. But on the other side, how they have changed the world, how they have made our labor very easy, and how they shrunk the world, it is it is clear, and no one is ignorant of these things that in every field, in every area of our life, they have played a significant role. And now, if a man of medieval times awake in his grave or get in life, he will be surprised that whether he is in the same world or in any land of mystery. People here in this essay, we see that people want wealth because of so many reasons. Number one, to be able to obtain material goods. From the wealth, a man is able to obtain material goods, to obtain his day-to-day necessities, and to make his life comfortable. But one more, that is more reason that people want wealth is this, that people want to gain it, to have wealth, to gain respect from other people, because the parameters have changed, because people see that it is the wealth that makes a man respectable figure in his society. But the author, that is Bertrand Russell, says that in in other cultures, there are different parameters for respect, and he says that this respect is achieved in those cultures by other standards, like by aristocracy, by his family background, by artistry, by wisdom, and this is the standard of this respect. But most people, a major portion of the people, think that it is a wealth that makes a man to earn respect, familiarity, this and become a prominent figure in his society or in any field. There are reasons behind this in each claim. The author has his own arguments, and he tries his best to make it understand or to make it weighty that machines, though have an have a significant role to play, but at the same time they have impact negative effects on the culture. Though human instincts have not been changed by machines, and we see that psychoanalysis that has fully studied and understood human psychology of emotions and instincts. And what is essential today is to understand human instincts and ways to satisfy them, because it is a human instinct that desires, that longs, that has a desire, or that um, wishes to have more and more wealth, and to have these machines, and they want these machines more to fulfill their basic needs, or to make their work easy, or their life comfortable. Then too they have more desire that they will impress their nearest and dearest, their neighbors, their friends, and other people. And but at the same time, it is not the fact that we will say that happiness will be brought back to our lives when machines are destroyed, because though we have the modern man has almost uh, a living standard higher than those of his ancestors, but yet he lacks this peace, tranquility. And you know that a man of modern times is finds himself in a sea where he sees uh, no place to get relaxed. His life is in turbulent, uh, is in turmoil. But it does not mean that it is alone the machine. Machines have their role to play, and you know that the modern man is able to conquer various his calamities, or various his these diseases, etc., because of the machines. But they have also, as in the beginning we have said to you, that they have their negative effect that they impact. And these things will be discussed in this essay uh, in a clear way, in a viewed and in an yes, in a way that can make us to think about machines in another angle, in a different angle. And therefore from tomorrow we will learn that what Bertrand Russell has to say about machines, and what in his uh, what in his what is his viewpoint regarding these machines, and also what the impact and effects the machines have impacted on the modern civilization or modern world, that will be discussed inshallah tomorrow. Thank you.